Mira, why have you not submitted your homework for correction? Miss, I am sorry, but I have not been able to complete it. Why, Mira, you had 3 whole days to write an essay. Surely the time was enough. Yes, it was. But there was a medical emergency in my house last Monday, due to which all our schedules are a little haywire. Oh. Is that so? What happened? Miss, my grandmother suddenly became serious and had to be admitted to the hospital. She will be there this entire week. Oh, I see. By the time we return it is pretty late, and I first try to study for the tests we have. This is the reason I could not finish the essay. Do you think you will be able to complete it along with your homework during the weekend? Yes, Miss. I will surely do that. Granny will be home on Saturday morning, and that will give me enough time to complete for all the pending work. Miss, thank you for understanding my difficulty. It's all right.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.